The best printable spring cleaning checklists. This beautiful one-page checklist from freebiefindingmom.com includes items that need to be done in all rooms, room-specific chores, and even a list of what needs to be tackled outside during your spring cleaning. It opens in a PDF format and has boxes to check off as you complete each task. This more traditional list is available from cleanmama.net to download for free. It is broken down into regular deep cleaning chores, bonus point areas, and more traditional spring cleaning chores. If your home is already relatively clean, this list will give you a chance to deep clean those forgotten areas. This spring cleaning checklist from thehappierhomemaker.com is detailed and thorough. Completing everything on this list will give you a super clean house. The list is laid out nicely in multiple columns so that it fits on one page. It is a great option for someone who not only wants a deep clean but wants to get extra chores done as well. Everything from cleaning out drawers to dusting vent covers is included, as well as outside chores. Sheknows.com has 4 checklists for the kitchen, living room, bedroom, and bathroom. These bright and cheery lists also include items that may need to be updated or replaced in your home. The checklists do have some artwork on them, but the font is large and easily read for those who dislike small print. All checklists are in a free PDF format and easy to print. This super thorough checklist from imperfecthomemaking.com is one of the most comprehensive among this group, covering deep cleaning, seasonal chores, and even some regular cleaning items we may normally forget about. It includes sections on the foyer, stairwells, laundry room, and outside. It is perfect for someone who is ready to tackle the entire house and is up for in-depth cleaning. This list has a link to a printable version that opens in a Google Doc. This free printable PDF document from marthastewart.com is more of a basic primer for spring cleaning than a simple checklist. It includes pictures and advice or instructions for some of the tasks. There are no boxes to check off, and the color pictures included may make it less desirable to print. But the information is wonderful and the tasks are nicely laid out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.